Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. In this video, I'm starting a new series. You know, I have a few series going, and this is another one. This one is about affiliate marketing for beginners. If you're a beginner, you're starting from zero scratch, and you wonder, what is this thing, affiliate marketing? This is going to be your video for you, but also more videos in this series. So if you come and watch the next, this is video number 1. I'm going to add 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 because there are 6. And maybe later I'll add even more. But at the beginning, I have at least 6 already mapped out. And this is to do with the 90-minute free affiliate course by Brewer. So all these are going to be about that, but later I may add more. Just know this is for beginners. If you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm a business owner here in Virginia, USA, and I'm very passionate about business ownership because that's where you get the freedom. It's not by me, it's by Robert Kiyosaki. Some of you have seen me with these books maybe. And these two, it's about, that's how you create long-term success, long-term money, okay? If any of that sounds interesting, consider subscribing to my channel and click on that bell so you get to know when I have these new videos because they're coming daily. I'm on fire this year. I'm saying daily. And this is high ticket affiliate marketing. So this video or this series, I'm going to be giving you just a summary of, I keep saying it's free to learn, but what is in there in the free course? So I'll give you briefly what it's about, and then your job is click a link below in the description to go start your free course. But let me first tell you what is in lesson 1, because it has 6 lessons for free and you finish them in 90 minutes in this free course. And he has also actually bonus one. Maybe I'll cover the bonus one too. So in these videos, I'm covering just one. So in lesson 1, he starts by defining affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? What does it mean? And I'm going to give you an example. Let me first say what Brian is saying. But then I'm going to give you my own example of what affiliate marketing is. So you don't leave this like with just a summary and nothing, right? What is affiliate marketing? Why is it so popular these days? Why? It's everywhere. It's even YouTube here. It's on TikTok Shop. It's everywhere. Instagram. Everyone talking about affiliate marketing. Facebook. Why? And now Brian is the one explaining to you. I'm not the one explaining right now. He is inside. And then he says that most people, when they do affiliate marketing, actually they do it wrong. They do what's called social selling. Like they have a product and they are talking about it and send you to the product. The way you see it's done on TikTok Shop, like someone, even here on YouTube, so they talk about the product and they click and you buy, and that's it. So it's saying why that's not the right way. That will keep you working forever. So he wants to show you a way to do this in a way that doesn't, the way that Robert talks about, like to create a business out of it. So that's when he talks about you have to capture people's emails. You have to create a business, because when you are on social media, okay, you have a pool of people, and now as they opt in to come into your world, now they are choosing to say, okay, they are interested in what you do. This is called your traffic, because businesses, they're always advertising to connect with people. Now you have your people right there. So your job is going to be just increasing those people. Okay? So that's a summary in lesson 1. He's explaining affiliate marketing, why it's very popular now, and it's discouraging social selling, and he's encouraging capture people's emails. That's a lesson that's encouraging you. Then after that, you go to lesson 2. But he talks about it, of course, in more detail. It's about 12 minutes, the whole lesson 1. Now, what is affiliate marketing? I said I'm going to explain a little bit for you. You think about something you like a lot. You like it. Maybe you ordered something online. It comes. You're so happy. You call your friends. Me, I love books. So I love this book. You see, it's very close. So let's take this example. I love this book. Now, the thing you like, the company that's selling it, let's assume it has an affiliate program. It means they can allow you to promote this thing and you get paid if people buy. So this is my favorite thing. And I start talking about it. I say, do you want this? Get it? It's on Amazon.com. The link is below. That's it. When people go buy the book, Amazon will pay me maybe 10%, 20%, like that. So for your thing, it could be something else. You imagine yourself on TikTok. You say, okay, this thing, I like it so much. Then you send people to the thing to buy it. Sometimes they don't even have to buy. Sometimes they just have to opt in and put their email, something. You paid for them taking action. Depends on, there's so many ways of doing this. So, but the one we are talking about now here with Brian is going to start you off with a digital product. Something that doesn't require shipping or anything. It's just a program, course that you promote if you choose to. Because it's free to learn, then you decide what you want to do. If you choose to promote it, then he pays 50% commissions, but the learning is free. So that's it. That's affiliate marketing. Lesson 1. Now, these videos that I'm doing these days, starting with this series, hopefully I can keep it up. I miss motivation, the part of motivation. I haven't done it in a while here. So I'm going to mix it in whenever I'm speaking. And here we go. The motivation part today, I'm picking it from a lesson from Wesley. Wesley Virgin, some of you who saw me here, I was talking about the gene script. That's Wesley. He says that we are not successful because of 2 reasons, according to him. Like if you want to change your life, the way I'm inviting you now to come learn affiliate marketing, you have to be ready to do 2 things, according to Wesley. The willingness to learn something new, something you don't know, and start from scratch. I'm 56 years, for me, I'm not intimidated by that. I like to learn new things. So the willingness to learn and the willingness to accept change. That's according to him. So if you truly you are tired of the job you're doing, you are tired of working from outside the home, you want to be with your children, you want to work from home the way I do, you are tired of the amount of money you're making, you are tired of having bills pile up, you have to work all the time, but the bills are piling up, you wonder what's going on. You spend money before you even get it. You know, spending the money before you get it. You work and you know you're going to be paid $400 a week, but you already spent it. Okay, when I get that, I'll spend $100 on that and this, and it's finished before you even finish what you're selling. If you're tired of paying your bills halfway, you just break it off, you pay maybe the past due because they'll cut off the electricity or the water, like that. Be willing to learn and be willing to accept change. Do you know why? Change is going to come. If you decide, for example, to come and join us here, I'm going to say start posting on TikTok. Maybe you are not posting on TikTok. That's change. You were not posting before, now you are posting. That's change. And you are learning. And also, if you are like not on YouTube, I'll say come on YouTube, because YouTube is long term. TikTok is good, but YouTube is more long term. So when you start on TikTok, slowly, if you come in our community, I'm going to encourage you to be on YouTube. And don't worry about it, as long as you're willing to learn and you're willing to accept change. See? That's my motivational part. It's the ending. I'll be bringing some more. I'll be quoting some people, or it's be just me. I'll be saying something at the end. Now, this course is free, but it's not for everyone. Especially, I'm so sure about if you are in USA. If you're not in USA, I'll say, add a comment and say, I'm not in USA, I'm in this country. I'm going to send you something relevant for your country, because me, I'm international. But right now with this is high ticket affiliate marketing, I'm emphasizing USA, me, but it's available in developed countries. I don't want to name countries. I just want to say, if you're in USA, click a link below in the description, go watch Brian. It's free. In fact, you start off by adding your email. You're adding it for me, and I'm sending you to Brian. I'll send you an email that has the link to Brian. So just like Brian is free, you don't have to put in a credit card or anything, but you verify your email. They're dealing with bots. They don't want robots. So verify your email, create an account and password. The course is free. After that, what happens, we'll explain to you. And also you connect with me. That's where I'm asking for your email. So you can connect with me. You get my WhatsApp number. That's USA. If you're not in USA, please just add a comment on this video. Say, for me, I'm in Uganda. For me, I'm UAE. For me, I'm in the UK. So I'm going to respond to you in that comment. Watch out for my response. It will come in a day or two. And I'm going to share a video. I'm going to share something that's going to take you to the right thing for you, for your country. You all still get to my WhatsApp number. So that's my video today. We're covering lesson 1 of the 90 minutes, Brian Brewer's 90 minutes affiliate course. It's free. This is changing the world because it's fast. You could, if you want to make money, this whole thing, why you are doing this, you want to make some money, you want to make a change, you want to travel, you want the freedom. This course can lead you to all that, because you're going to promote whatever you want. Like if you want to promote books, if you want to promote cosmetics, you want to promote people losing weight, whatever. Because we're going to get into all that in lesson 2, 3, 4, 5. But for today, we are just introducing. Okay, like I always end these videos, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. Take a step to a better you. Next, please, if you're in USA, click the link in the description. If you are in another country, add a comment for me. Tell me what you want. What do you need? Are you willing to learn? Are you willing to accept change according to Wesley? Yes? I say yes, yes. Because if you have a strong why, you're going to do this. That's how we're going to change your life. And I'm here to support you. I do it for free. I have Zoom meetings and all that for free. Just connect with me. Take a step to a better you. Bye-bye.